Shelf installation. Shelf accessories as shown in the picture. Let's install the baffle first. Pay attention to the installation direction between the baffle and the baffle. Upper screw. Upper side screw. All frame screws are installed. Install rack connecting rod. Profile empathy. The back bracket is double hole. Align the middle and inner double holes of the track. Profile empathy. Upper screw of connecting rod. Connect faceplate. Faceplate face down. The panel screw is long from the edge and the screw hole is at the back. Tighten the surrounding screws and put them on the shelf frame. Then tighten the side fixing screws. Installed.